relationship between charge flow through a conductor and change in magnetic flux. In this video, let us see whether there is any relationship between charge flowing through a conductor which moves in uniform magnetic field B and flux change due to the varying area of the rectangular conductor. Look at this diagram. PSRQ is a rectangular conductor of which conductor PQ is movable. It moves with velocity v towards left in a uniform and time independent magnetic field B. In time delta t, suppose the conductor PQ moves to the position P dashed Q dashed. During this time, let delta phi B is the change in magnetic flux associated with this rectangular coil. What is the EMF induced? We know this rectangular conductor is having a change in magnetic flux delta phi B in time delta t. So the magnitude of EMF induced in this conductor must be delta phi B by delta t. Let this be equation number 1. If R is the resistance of the conductor PQ due to the charges present in it, induced current flowing through the circuit be I. Induced current flow through the circuit or through this rectangular conductor which is I. If R is the resistance of the conductor, we just imagine the other straight conductors QR, RS and SP. These three straight conductors have negligible resistance and the conductor PQ has resistance R, so that the total resistance of this rectangular conductor is R. If I is the current through the conductor, R is the resistance, already we know EMF equal to I into R. Let this be equation number 2. These two equations are same, hence we write delta phi B by delta T is equal to I into R. If delta Q is the charge in the conductor PQ, then current I will be equal to delta Q by delta t. Delta q is the charge flow in time delta t. So the equation delta phi b by delta t can be written as I into R, which is delta q by delta t into R. Delta t get cancel out. Therefore, the equation changes to delta phi b equal to delta q into R. Then what is delta q in it? Delta q is equal to delta phi b divided by R. This is the relation between charge q, flux change delta phi b, and resistance of the conductor R. Thank you.